Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking license plate relocation kits. If you have a Harley Davidson model that has one of the flimsy plastic side-mounted license plate holders hanging from the turn signal, you've probably already come to realize that they leave a lot to be desired. For one, they really stick out really far. They constantly get in the way, and they're not the most aesthetically pleasing thing to the eye. Here at TC Brothers, we set out to create a solution for that problem. Simply, we relocated the license plate from the side to the center of the bike, tucked neatly and tightly up underneath the rear fender and centered with the rear tire. These kits in front of me fit Milwaukee 8 Softail models, and they're constructed from one piece of CNC laser cut, high quality American made steel. They have a durable black powder coat finish, and a unique feature as well is they actually have a mount for your factory license plate light. It relocates it from the side, so there's no additional wiring requirements, cutting, splicing, anything like that, to keep it simple and reliable. They also include high quality stainless steel hardware and are available in stock and ready to ship quickly to your door. To find out more information about these and all the items that we sell, you can visit our website at tcbros.com.